Welcome to problem of the day 117. Solve for the reaction forces. So this is a 3D problem. This is supposed to be like a bar going down the x-axis, and then here's the y-axis sticking towards you, and then the z-axis going up and down. Sorry for the terrible drawing, but what we'll end up doing here is we'll sum the forces in the x, y, and z, and then also the moments in the x, y, and z. So we know the sum of the forces in the y is 0 because there's no force in the y. There's just a force in the z going down here on the end of this bar. And then the sum of the forces in the x, which is this way, is 0 because there's no force going in the x direction here. And then sum of the forces, sum of the moments in the z, which it would have to create a moment around the z-axis like this, like z-axis like this. That's not happening. And then sum of the moments in the x equals 0 because there's no moment around the x-axis like this. So what we'll end up doing is summing the forces in the z equals 0, but you have a force in the z-axis, so that's going downward, so I state that as -5. And then you have a reaction force AZ, because this is point A right here, going upwards, so that's going to be positive. So then AZ equals 5 kips, because they have to be equal and opposite to end up equaling 0. And then summing the moments about the y-axis. So what we'll do is, if you can think about it, this is the y-axis, and this bar is right here, and it's going around the y-axis. So there is a moment that has to react to the moment caused by the bar and the 5 kips. So then you get 5 times 4 because it's 4 feet long. That's the moment. So then that's in kip feet, and then that is going to be, I stated them in the same direction, so my is going to be negative my 20 kip feet is the reaction force. So it actually has to go in the other direction. So my goes counterclockwise and is positive in the counterclockwise direction of 20 kip feet, where I just stated the direction incorrectly of what my needs to be going.